this is the AI video creator. Let me just actually zoom out so you can see all of these benefits. So the AI video creator allows you to create professional videos that look real. Okay, so these are videos that look like they've been created by a video editor that you've paid a few $100s to, a voiceover artist that you've maybe paid anywhere from $50 to a couple of $100s to, maybe that you've involved a designer as well. You know, these videos look real. They look like they've been created by real human beings, but it's all done with automated AI technology. And you can do this in just a few clicks, okay? So I'm talking videos that look and sound like they cost $1,000 per video. You can create unlimited videos for all of the main money-making methods. So whether you think it's e-commerce, you're into list building, you're into the make money niche, you're into the dieting niche, you're into app marketing. I know what's making money for people in 2018, and I've created template packs for all of those main methods, and we've also got a huge generic pack as well for everything else. So here's how the tool works. Now we'll give you a demonstration of the tool in just a second, but basically here's how it works. The first thing is we give you 15 proven methods and niches. So for each of these methods, we've created 500 proven sales scripts, lines and slides, which is to say I've personally written all of these scripts out. And then for each of those scripts, you can choose from 3 different voiceover styles that are recorded by a UK female professional voiceover, which is the highest converting one that we found. And we have then also got 23 motion graphics animations which you can use. So basically you choose your niche, you choose your slides, which of course are editable and you can mix and match them. You then choose from 3 different voiceover recordings for each of those slides, and then you animate those slides that you've put together and those voiceovers with 23 different animation styles. As well as all of that, the tool comes with royalty-free audio for backing tracks. You can import video and images, so you can not only have the text there, but you can also add videos and images. And you can also edit the text and customize. And this last one's really important because what you want to do is you want to choose one of the templates, which will be, say, focused on the make money niche, quickly edit it, and then spin it so that it's not just a generic make money offer, but it's focused on a specific offer. And you can do that by importing videos and images, but you can also do it by editing the text as well. And of course these videos actually generate results, because I've made 7 figures using this exact approach, using motion graphics animation videos with real voiceovers and using these exact kind of scripts. So it's extremely powerful. So with that all said, let me show you exactly how it's done. So I'm just going to click on New Project, which is just up here actually. Let me just move this out of the way so I can click on this. There we go. So the first step is we can customize our video. We've got a few options here. We can import a backing track of our own. We can choose one from the music library and they're all royalty free. We can import a background image as well. Import our own background image, or we just choose a background color. Choose a text color for our slides and choose a text font as well. And so I'm going to go with, let's say, Limelight as my font. In fact, let's change that to Rametto 1. For my backing track, I'm going to just leave that blank, no backing track, so you can hear the audios as I go through them. I'm going to choose a image from the background library. Let's go with blue. We're going to stick with white text, and then we can also enter a gap between our slides. So if you remember, this has got pre-recorded slides, and what this will do is it will basically insert a gap of 300 milliseconds, which is 0.3 seconds between each slide, which just kind of gives it a natural padding, so it sounds like a real person's recorded these. So now you click on Next Step, and this is really the meat and potato of the software. This is really the bread and butter of the tool. So you can see here we have Select Done For You Voices, Text and Slides. And what this allows us to do is to choose the slides and to choose the voiceovers with those slides. So let's start with the niches, and you can see that we have 50 niches over here that we can filter through. We have the affiliate JV niche, which is basically our niches and methods. So this is if you want to promote your own affiliate program and get JVs, then you would select this as your pack. If you wanted to do app marketing, you would select that. Building muscle, dating, dieting, e-commerce. So you can see you've got things like click now to customize your design. Free reports if you want to list build. Generic, and this is really powerful because this allows you to promote anything that doesn't fit within all of these different packs here. Green energy. Local marketing if you want to promote local businesses, and of course these videos are all royalty free, so you are able to sell these videos, unlimited videos, to your clients as well. Make money niche, which of course is one of the most profitable niches. You can see we have 33 different slides for those. Retargeting, that's really cool. If you want to retarget people back to your website, then you can create retargeting videos here. So you can see we have slides like, did you almost order from us? Then we can offer you a special discount. Click now to come back to us, etc., etc. Trading for stock trading, forex, etc. Website visits for driving visits to your website, and YouTube for encouraging people to subscribe on YouTube and to come over to your YouTube channel. So let me just choose the make money niche as an example. You can see that we have a few options here. These are all basically slides, scripts that I've created for the make money niche. And by the way, we can mix and match these, so we can choose one for make money, then go over to, let's say, generic, and choose one from
do it now.
The generic, and then we've got two slides there. And you can see that as we do that, it will check to show that we've done that. But what we can do is we can basically, let me just uncheck those, so I'm starting from scratch. And go back to make money. What we can do is we can basically only show the intro slides, the middle slides, or the close slides. So we've organized all the slides into intro, middle, and close. So the intro is typically a question, do you want to profit? That kind of thing. The middle is, look at the features and benefits and aggravating pain, things of that nature. And then the close is the call to action. So click on the button to start making money now. It's just that simple. It's risk-free. Click now, that kind of thing. So let's create a quick video for the make money niche. So if I hover over each of these, and you'll be able to hear this through the system audio, which should hopefully be turned on, then you'll hear the voiceover recording.
Do you want to get paid?
What's really cool about this is we can also click on this button.
Do you want to get paid? Do you want to get paid? Do you?
And we can cycle through different recordings. So let's
do you want to
go with that one. You can see it's now been selected. It's now turned blue here and here.
Stop. Before you buy another ebook or make money system, you need this information.
So we'll include that one as well. So we've got two there for the intro. I'm just going to click over to the middle section. And by the way, we can search these as well. You can filter these by, whatever keyword you want to enter, and it will just bring in, it will search all of the videos over here. Okay. But let's just go back here. So click on middle.
Ever felt that there is something that some people know about make money that you don't? Just 10 minutes from now, you could be using my secret system. Presenting the ultimate guide to profiting online. Trust me when I say this will change the way you look at.
So let's go with that one.
This is the type of money I've been making daily. This is the type of money I've been making daily. This is the type of money I've been making.
So go with that one. So we've got 4 now. And let's just look at some closes.
Click now to. It is that simple. In fact, if you plan on profiting today, you barely have a choice. Click on the button. So click on the link to get started. So
that'll do us. If I go over to the generic section.
But
And these, just the closes for the generic section, you can see there's quite a few of them.
You will succeed, but only if you take action. You owe it to yourself to do this.
So let's include a couple of these as well. And then I'm happy with that. I've selected 8 slides from the Make Money and Generic packs. I'm just going to click on Generate. And it's now going to load up all...
Do you want to get paid? Stop.
It's going to load up all of the different slides as we run through them.
Do you want to get paid? Stop. Before you buy another ebook or Make Money system, you need this information. Presenting the ultimate guide to profiting online. This is the
and what we can do here is we've got a few options. Okay, we can move slides up and down, which is we do by just dragging along here, and that will move slide 1 to slides 2 position, etc. And you can see that as I do that, the timeline changes. We can edit the text for each slide. So stop before you buy another ebook or Make Money system. We can change that, ebook or Make Money system. Let's just add some dots. Do you want to get paid? Now, for example, for this one, you could quite easily import an image. So for this one, you can quite easily import an image over this, over this slide here. So let me just, I'm just going to pause the video and find a file on my computer. So you can see that I've now imported an image just by clicking here, finding one on my computer. You can do the same with video.
Do you want to get...
And if I go here, you'll see that we have the image, and I'll just remove the text just so we've just got the image there. And we can also choose different animation styles for each of these. So let me click on the images, and you can see that we have different styles for the way the slide comes in. We have different styles for the way that the text comes in. So for example, text on a rectangle, text of multiple lines. And we also have, I just didn't show it then, but we also have different options here for some of these generic things too, which is pretty cool. But let me just click on play and see what we've got so far.
Stop. Before you buy another ebook or Make Money system, you need this information. Do you want to get paid? Presenting the ultimate guide to profiting on...
So I mean here it says presenting the ultimate guide to profiting online. You could change that to, presenting AI video creator, or you could have an e-cover that would show the product that you're looking to promote, and so on and so forth. And so, if I just show you that we've got here probably somewhere in the region of about a 40-second video, we can easily customize any of these slides with video and images. We can change the text. We can change pretty much anything. We can add more slides, edit the slides here, or add more slides by clicking on Add Scene down here. And then when we're happy with it, we just click on Render, and that basically creates our video. Of course, we can save our project, which you can't see just above here, and we can open projects as well. So very, very powerful tool, very, very awesome tool, and I think one of the best tools that I've created.